Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can do the ambulance side mission in your GTA San Andreas game. So to do the GTA ambulance side mission, first of all you need to come to this location and find an ambulance. You can come to this Jefferson location, and here is the hospital located, and right in front of the hospital you can find an ambulance. You need to enter the ambulance, and after you have entered the ambulance, it will tell you right there to toggle the side mission or submission. So you can press on R, and after that it tells you that you can drive the patients carefully to the hospital in the limited amount of time, and after you have done that, you'll have completed the side mission. Now to 100% complete the side mission, what you need to do is you can see the level on your right hand side, top right hand side of the screen. You need to as you guys can see, the level now just increased to 2. You need to make this level 12. So after you have made this level 12, you would have completed 100% of the side mission, and after that she says health will be maximum, and you will have completed the side mission as well. So that's how you guys can do the ambulance side mission in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, then please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys in our next video. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.